In this Stormworks Basics video, we're going to go back to our door we built the last time, and we're going to change the way we do it. So instead of using the numerical switch box, we're going to use an up-down counter. All right, so let's select up-down counter. Again, you can search for it here if you need to. And we're going to use this instead of the numerical switch box we used last time. So we're going to connect the value, this green node, out to the pivot. And the toggle we're going to select to the up button. Next, we're going to click on the up-down counter. It brings up a menu. So you want the increment to be 1. You want the reset value to be 0. You're going to enable a clamp. All the clamp does is it lets you set the minimum value and the maximum value. All right, so when we press the button once, we want it to go from 0, which is door closed, to 1, which is door open, just like we did with the numerical switch box. But then, when we press it one more time, we want it to go back and close. All right, so we need to make this, so we need 0, right? 0 is closed, 1 is open, and 2 will reset our door back to 0. As you can see, we have a reset value. So we're going to make that 2. All right, next thing we're going to do is we're going to go down to the threshold gate. We'll put a threshold gate here. We're going to grab the number value. It's going to read the number. I'm going to select threshold gate. We're going to come up here. We'll make that 2 and 2. So when this number reads 2, we then take this red node and it resets. So what this is doing is this is allowing the up-down counter to work in a loop. So we can keep pressing up. We're going to press up. It's going to go from 0 to 1. Up is going to go 0 to 2. When it hits 2, it signals this threshold gate and it resets it back to 0. So effectively, this lets us click 1 or 0. All right, so this is all set. Let's hook it up. So update. All right, it should still be all hooked up from before. We're going to spawn it. We'll walk over to our door, and we'll notice something funny happens. We'll press the button, and we see it jitters like crazy. All right, so the reason why this happens is pressing that toggle, it's essentially going click, 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 click on the button, right? So we want to set it so it only essentially gives us one press. So what we're going to do is we're going to search for pulse, P-U-L-S-E. It's going to bring us up this pulse, toggle to push. We're going to click that. And we'll put that right there. We're going to take this node, put it there. I'm going to take this node, and we're going to put it back in the up. All right, we're going to update it. We're going to confirm it. We'll spawn it. And we'll see how our door behaves now. We press the button, door opens. Press the button again, door closes. All right. So now we're controlling the door with the up-down counter. All right. So that concludes this video. We'll go more in depth in some other functions of up-down counters, but that's a very basic use of an up-down counter. Thanks for watching.